What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Kona remote key fob. This Hyundai Kona key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video so where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that key to the side. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the notch right here that emergency key just slid out of, and then just below that there's another notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key, or the end of the screwdriver rather. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just twist it. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart, and then we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide that down into its holder. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.